Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In previous videos, I have discussed about resistance, its dependency on temperature. In today's video, I will discuss about another basic element and a circuit element, that is inductor. These are the electrical devices designed to provide inductance in series. Resistors are designed, or resistors used to provide resistance, and inductors used to provide inductance. These inductors are simply a coil of wire. Then another question may occur in our mind that if these are the inductors are coil of wire, then what will be in the case of a straight wire? Although straight wire that it offers resistance, but there is another property, that is self-inductance. So self-inductance also occurs in straight wire, but it is more significant when conductors are coiled. That's why it is written that inductor is simply a coil of wire. Now, when that conductor is coiled, so magnetic field of each turn of coil cuts across nearby turns of coil. So, if it is in this way, this straight wire is coiled together. So if there is magnetic field in this turn, it will cut its nearby turn. So magnetic field of each turn of coil cuts across nearby turns of coil, and the magnetic field of this turn will cut this turn and this turn. If we want to increase the inductance, then iron core may be used. This inductance is a passive element. There are generally two type of element. One is passive and another one is active. I will discuss in some other video about the active and passive elements, and for that video you have to be stay connected with the channel, and for that you know that you have to subscribe, and after the subscription you have to press the bell icon, so that whenever I will upload any new video, you will get immediate notification about that video. This inductor is capable of storing and delivering finite energy. Finite energy, it can store a, a limited amount of energy, and that stored energy means then this inductor can also provide that limited amount of energy and finite average power for finite time interval, because it is having the limitation that it can store a limited amount of energy. So it again, whenever we are having a requirement, then that inductor will be able to provide that amount of energy which it has stored for a finite time of interval. Now, that inductance. So, inductance, just like resistance, it is electrical property that tends to prevent any change in current. Resistance used to oppose the flow of current, and inductance prevents the change of current, means it opposes the change of current. If greater is the induced EMF, then greater will be the opposition to change in current. The unit of inductance is Henry, and it can be written as voltage Vt. This will be L, rate of change of current. L is the inductance, so Vt will be equal to L di by dt. Further simplifying this, di will be 1 upon L Vt dt. The inductance is represented by this way in any electrical circuit. Then inductive reactance. When any voltage is applied to a coil, then current starts flowing. This current induces a magnetic field. As this field will increase, the counter voltage is generated in coil kind which opposes the rate of change of current. This counter voltage opposes the flow of current, and this opposition is known as inductive reactance. So basically the property of inductor which opposes the change of current, that is denoted as inductive reactance. This inductive reactance is also measured in ohm, and value of this inductive reactance depends on frequency and inductance. So its formula is XL is equal to 2 pi F into L. This XL is inductive reactance, 2 pi F is frequency, and L is inductance. Now, if different inductors are connected in series and parallel, then if inductors are connected in series L1, L2, L3, L4, then L equivalent or total equivalent inductance of that series circuit will be L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4, or if n inductors are connected, then it will be modified as up to Ln. And similarly, inductors connected in parallel, so L1, L2, L3, if three inductors are connected in parallel, then equivalent inductance will be 1 upon 1 upon L1 plus 1 upon L2 plus 1 upon L3. So the formula for series or parallel connection of inductor is just similar to resistance. So in next video, I will discuss about the capacitance, another the circuit, electrical circuit element. Till then, you have to stay connected with the channel, subscribe the channel. You can share your views about this video, and if you want video on any specific topic, then also you can comment in comment box. If you like this video, you can share with your friends also. See you in next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.